The government has suffered yet another blow after High Court in Milimani observed that the mandatory 2.75% deduction from gross income for the Social Health Insurance Fund, that is SHIF, is illegal. This comes as thousands of employees are barred from accessing SHA services after 44,000 employers failed to remit their deductions to the authority. Emmanuel To has the details.
In the ruling by High Court Judge Chacha Mwita in a petition filed by 4 doctors on the legality of the Social Health Authority's Social Health Insurance Fund deductions, the judge raised serious concerns over the mandatory 2.75% deduction to the Social Health Insurance Fund, terming it potentially unconstitutional. In his ruling, the judge said, quote, "There is only one gross income. There can be no other gross income from which the person can again contribute 2.75% to the fund under SHA." The judge adding that any subsequent or other statutory deductions based on the person's gross income after income tax is undoubtedly double taxation, charge or levy, because the same gross income will have been taxed more than once under the Income Tax Act and the regulations made under SHA as contribution to the fund. Mwita concluding by stating that by providing that a person contributes 2.75% of his or her gross income to the fund after paying income tax from the same gross income, the regulation introduces a negative element of taxation, which is double taxation, and would, as a result, make such a regulation unlawful. The court, however, declined to give directives on the matter until a similar issue is heard and determined. This comes as SHA sent a warning shot to employers, saying thousands of employees already registered to SHA are at the risk of failing to get medical attention after the employers failed to remit their monthly SHIF deductions.
So far, we are owed 21 billion shillings out there. We have patients in hospitals who are in those hospitals. They are aware that they are fully registered by the Social Health Authority by virtue of the fact that they are employed, but their employers have not yet remitted the money.
SHA adding that it was pursuing over 44,000 employers who are yet to comply with SHA requirements.
So far, we have 98,112 employers that are in the system, but in that portal, we only have 53,000 of those employers who are compliant. It means that we have around 44,000 employers who we must go after.
And so starting today for the next 6 weeks across the country, we will be coming door to door to each employer to ensure that you're compliant with your remittances to the Social Health Authority.
In a statement to newsrooms, Health CS Aden Duale has however clarified that the SHA contributions remain in force and that the fund continues to operate within the law. Over 22 million Kenyans have already been enrolled to SHA platform, with the government planning to ramp up the numbers in coming days. Emmanuel To, Citizen TV, Nairobi.